At Zenable, we have integrations in over 50 different IDEs, anything from VS Code to Copilot, Cursor, Windsurf, Rue. And if you've already got that set up and you'd like to do an assessment of an existing code base, you can do that by using this specialized prompt. So we're saying for each file in this repository, send the file name and contents to Zenable, take the output, append it to a file, and essentially do a security assessment. And so what's happening here is we've got this repository that I've previously built. It's functional and working. And I just have the MCP server set up. You can go to zenable.io/MCP to get a sign up API token. And what it's going to do here is it's going to go through every single file in this repository and it's going to send it to the MCP server and assess it. Then that information is going to get fed back into the IDE and it's going to write it in a file locally. So you can do a full from scratch assessment of an existing code base using all of the tools that we've got, pulling from our policy as code backbone, right? So if you have custom requirements in a contract, or maybe the contract requirements have changed since you first started writing the code in this code base, and you'd like to reassess it against these new requirements, you simply import the documentation to our graph, go into your MCP server, go into the chat over here, and you just ask us this question, and that assessment will start, and it'll automatically pull in all of the context from your contracts or anything else that you have uploaded. The security requirements or product requirements, anything that you fed into the system, it'll automatically take into account with our graph database and pull it in as a part of the assessment.